Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. Friends, in this video we will discuss about Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Technology admission and scholarship process. We will discuss in details about master's degree programs, MS leading to PhD and PhD programs. This KAIST Institute does not offer bachelor's degree, so we will discuss master's onward. We will discuss in details. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on this YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe and click bell icon as you can easily receive all upcoming important videos. So let's discuss in details. Before applying in KAST, you should have one thing in your mind about documents and the timelines. The deadline is 25th of September of this month. Documentation submission, you have to apply online up to 25th of September, but your hard copy documents should be reached on 25th of October at KAIST. When you will be admitted for the admission in this university, then you will be automatically considered for a scholarship program. This is fully funded scholarship. Procedure to apply. In procedure, you can see there are 6 to 7 steps are given. In first step, first of all, you have to choose your department according to your choice, and you have to apply online. For applying online, you have to click here. Here you can see the application portal for KAIST is open now. First you have to register yourself, then you have to apply. In second step, all information is correct and save the file. Then you have to pay application fee. The application fee is non-refundable for KAIST. It's 80 USD United States dollars you have to pay when you will be applying for admission process. Then you have to, in 4th step, you have to print your application, and in step 5 you have to send all hard copy documents along with your application form to the address of this address which is given for the KAIST. And in step 6 you have to check your status that your package, your documents has been received at KAIST. Then you have to proceed further for your visa process. Required application materials, required documents, your previous transcripts, your degrees, statement of purpose. Your statement of purpose should be described by these questions: what you studied at previous institution, motivation applying for the major, brief study plan, future plan after study, honors and awards, introduction of institution previously attended by you. So this is a statement of purpose. You can easily write answers of these questions and you can compile it for your statement of purpose. Then your updated CV. For the students of PhD, they have to submit at least one research publication for their PhD program. Eligibility criteria for master's degree program: you should have 16 years of education. You should have 4 years bachelor's degree program. For doctoral degree program, you must have bachelor's and 2 years master's degree program. Then you are eligible to apply for PhD. So all these are the details about KAIST International Graduate Scholarship Program Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. This is all about today's video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.